Do the companies you purchase from encourage you to reuse and recycle their products? Have you ever seen companies advertising their efforts to become more sustainable? Sustainability is the key to a better future. It is proven that sustainability has positively affected production efficiency by lowering waste and overall cost, according to the Environmental Protection Agency. Today I'll be explaining the benefits of sustainable manufacturing, the effects of unsustainable production, and how businesses can become more environmentally friendly in their methods of production and products. Businesses such as grocery stores, large stock brands, and factories are responsible for their waste and carbon emissions. These businesses should be applying environmentally friendly production and products. The EPA's article, Plastics Material Specific Data, mentioned that in 2018, 27 million tons of plastic were put into landfills just in the United States. This was a result of individual and businesses. According to Statistica, in 2022, Nike produced 8.7 million pounds of plastic waste. Patagonia, however, prevented 10.5 million pounds of carbon emissions going into the atmosphere by changing their products to recycled polyester. Plastic production and unsustainable practices being done by large and popular businesses will continue to affect habitats and natural processes, mentions the UN Environmental Program in their article, Plastic Pollution. Plastics such as polyester, a popular clothing material, can take centuries to decompose. According to the Vanilla Group's article, The Negative Effects of Plastic on the Environment, the production of plastic requires petroleum, which leads to deforestation. It is later mentioned that plastic production also emits greenhouse gases, which build up and cause climate change. Plastic is a dangerous material. The production of it and the use of it contains chemicals that are associated with cancer-causing agents and can overall cause more health problems in the future. Businesses can lower their waste and carbon emission by purchasing reusable items to replace those single-use items. They can also recycle, reuse, and go paperless. According to Patagonia, their method of packaging has been made from Forest Stewardship Council certified and recycled materials of post-consumer waste. Shipping from bags from Patagonia are made with recycled craft paper. They also encourage their customers to send in any items that are at the end of their life so that they can reuse them in their packaging or other clothing. A free shipping label is given upon request to the item. The item is then received by the company and used in many ways. The EPA mentioned in their article, Sustainable Manufacturing, that environmentally production has lowered the cost of resources. It has also improved sales, brand recognition, and has made easier access to finance and capital. It is also shown that less energy is used when a company chooses to go greener. Opportunity for innovation increases with sustainability. Going green can allow the company to make an impact on society and their consumers. Plastic waste and waste in general goes into landfills that will be cut in half if brands such as Nike, Adidas, ExxonMobil, and IKEA choose to implement environmentally friendly production and products such as Patagonia. Businesses are responsible for sustainable products and production. There are many benefits to being a sustainable company. There are also impacts of unsustainable practices being shown. Companies have many options to become more environmentally friendly, like I mentioned earlier. Please recycle, reduce, and reuse plastic, even polyester clothing, when a company recommends it. You can help to reduce the amount of plastic waste made by large tech companies by informing people of its negative effects. You can support companies who are choosing to provide sustainable production and products by purchasing from their company or instead of buying from unsustainable companies. There's still time to save the earth when we are the consumers and the polluters start reducing today.